Now for for environment, first of all, there's going to be a live session on the 10th of June. Now you also have the self-corrected the Night Spirit booklet. Now I know it's tempting to click on this one and just look at the answers and copy the answers, but you're not going to learn anything from that. Um, what I suggest is that you do read through the PowerPoints. They have videos as well. For example, you can go to the PowerPoint. I know there's a lot of information, so don't worry. But I know you can do it. Start slowly. If you would like me to read through the PowerPoints, just send me an email and I will read through them and then I will send a video, okay? Because over here there is quite a lot of information. Now, I'm not going to tell you to copy the answers or don't copy the answers, that's up to you. But over here in the booklet, she's giving you the page numbers where you can read through and then you can write your answers here. So if I were you, I would do that. But it is completely up to you. If you copy word for word, obviously she's going to notice immediately. So do not do that. If you need any help, just email me and I'll see what I can do because I can't go through the whole thing if you know what to do, kind of. So if you need anything, send me an email, tell me what to explain and I will explain it, okay?